Let's take a look at this security camera kit. Solar panels. Sweet. Nice little home hub. So these are the solar panels. You get 2 of them. And plenty of cable for mounting them somewhere where there's mostly sun. These are the cameras themselves. You have your sensor right on here. Motion light and floodlights right on the sides. And the camera right here. Open this up just to access your reset button if you ever need to. So this is the hub. This you can connect directly to the internet. They have a TF card in here that stores all the data and all the footage needed. So the hub just simply acts as pretty much, it sends the video files and everything to the hub and then saves it on your hub instead of actually inside the camera itself.